Good morning, Cafe Nice. Hello. Let's go grocery for today at tignan natin kung ano ang mabibili natin para tayo ay magluto ulit. Malamig dito ngayon because of the snow. Ayan o, tignan nyo. Yan. Oh, it's snow everywhere today. In the next couple of days. Ayan o, snow. It's so bright. It's so bright. It's so bright. Pag snow, magandang paligid. Maliwanag. Let's go grocery, Kapinay. Kung ano ang ating makikita ngayon na mabili at magluto tayo pa more. Luto pa more. Ano bang masarap na ulam na lutuin? Any suggestions? Okay? Alright. See you later. Mag-grocery tayo. Okay, Kapinay, andito na tayo. Punta tayo dito sa Press Farm here in Skokie. Let's go grocery. Kung anong makita natin diyan. I wanna buy strawberries, Kapinay. 2 pounds, that's too much. Strawberries. Strawberry, Kapinay, ano? Strawberries, lot of fruits. This is currants. It's sour but beautiful fruit. Pomegranate, they're so big. Some grapes. There you go. I want some grapes. Green grapes, black grapes. I love. Is this seedless? This is my lomboy. See? Black grapes, Kapinay. Yeah. Black grapes. Yeah, no. They're sweet. These are sweet. Pero mas maganda pa. Lot of fruits, oranges, pear, brown pear, green pear, ano, dami. Pakwan. Yeah, these are seedless green grapes. Ang lalaki oh. $2.99 a pound. Yan. Oh. I eat a lot of fruits. I love fruits. Those are pakwan, pomegranate juice, guacamole, bayabas. So, bayabas oh, from Mexico. And hinog na. Sometimes I get the green one. Bayabas. Laka. Wala naman na stranyo lang. Oh, this is white. I like the red one, the pink one. This is very sweet. This is very sweet. Oh yeah, this one, the red one, Kapinay. Ang mahal oh. These are mangoes. And this is Manila mango, 2 for $5. Wow. Manila mango, it's extra sweet. Oh, this one, the one I like. Pear. I love this. Ang gusto ko, Korean pear kapinay, ano, $8. And that's my Korean pear. Look at that, Chico. Now kiwi, mangoes, mangoes, mangoes. A lot of fruits. Okay, tayo sa isda. Oranges. Yan, oranges. I buy this one on summertime to make juice, but not in winter. Okay. Pomelo. Yan o, different kind of mushrooms, kapinay. That is, yan o, durian, mushroom, watermelon mushroom, shiitake mushroom, mushroom. Mga paborito kong pagkain. Mushrooms. Meron din sweet tamarind. Yan, gulay naman tayo ngayon. Mga iba-ibang sili. Oh Lord. Tabungaw. And upo, cabbage. Red cabbage. Plantain. I really don't know how to eat this. Yan o, cactus. Yan, cactus din yan. Yan o, dami. Everything is here in America. Mangga. Baby mangoes. Avocados. Bananas, bananas. I wanna buy a little okra, 1 pack of okra only. Pickle nuts. Pickle nuts. Tomatoes. Dami. Gandang mamili rito, kapinay. Ayan. Talong. Mahahaba. Mahabang talong. Bilog na talong. 2 kinds of ampalaya. Yan o. Ampalaya. Ay, ampalaya. Gusto ampalaya. Yung tayo tatlo. Pinakbit ulit. Yan. So abundant. Nandito na lahat ng gulay ng mga ibang nationalista. Different kinds of food for all people. You know, very abundant, kapinay. As they say, America is the largest market in the world. Should I buy corn? No. It's okay. Organic ginger. Maliit. Organic ginger. Fish. Dami fish.
Anything else?
That's all. Thank you. Dami ibang klaseng isda, kapinay. Thank you. Yan. That's the small fish, style fish. And what's that? I think I wanna buy catfish nuggets, kapinay. Ang ganda oh. I think I wanna buy some. Dito ko mamaya. Ito yung ano, wing ng pagi. I want this one, catfish nuggets. Ham. All different kinds of ham and cheese. Cured meat. cheese. European food, kapinay. Ayan, ang dami. America is a big market. Sauerkraut. Oh wow, this is nice. I love sauerkraut. Kapinay Polish. Okay, let's go to the beach area. Yan, ribs. Meron pa akong parte sa bahay. Meat. Where did I buy that? Oh yeah, this one. I bought this one. Pang adobo, kapinay. Pork with tips. Pang adobo, pang sinigang. Yan, oh. Yan kung anong gusto ko. Yan, pork, beef. This area. Okay. I think we're done here. Dalawa. Yan. Marami na yan kasi andito na naman ako last time. Wow. Longganisa, kapinay. Longganisa of who? Oh, Filipino longganisa. Meron din sila dito pork meat. Ang grocery, Filipino Mediterranean kosher. Saan yung Filipino section? Yun doon, 13 Filipino section. Bila ko ng sutanghon mamaya. Sutanghon by Mr. Hun. They have goat meat here. Ano yan? Halal meat. Yan ang goat meat, kapinay. Yan ang goat adobo, masarap. This is Rocco Blanc. Here hand Rocco Blanc. Ayan, kapinay, oh, you got the idea. Ang laking store ito. We're gonna go first to the American store. This is like international store. Ayan. Yeah. Okay, this is the Filipino flag there. Yeah, this is Filipino Asian stores. Yeah. Alright. Andyan na yung mga chicharon, lapid, cornic, Ilocos chicha corn. Cornic, babad sa bensin. Yan o. Yan o. Otap. Hindi ako mahilig sa otap. Singaling. That is, I don't know. No, not really. Yan o. Dami o. Singaling. Walang alamang. Coconut juice. Bilaw ng sutanghon kasi na. Asian soups, Asian rice. Oh yeah, I'm gonna buy one of this kasi gagawa ko ng ano, bilo-bilo. Yan, bilo-bilo. Fried garlic. Yan na yung mga Filipino products. Yan o. Ayan ang nag-grocery natin, Kapinay. Ayan, pupunta ulit naman sa American store. American grocery store. Ayan o, Kapinay, bunton-bunton ng snow na na-plow. Ayan o.
Straight or left?
Straight. Where is Skokie? Where is Skokie? Skokie naman. Skokie. Going there in Jewel. American store.
Takes oranges.
You know, this is where I went for my glasses there. There. Okay, we're now here in Jewel. American store. Wine. Oh, I'm gonna get my own cart. Kapinay. I'm gonna go get my own cart. Roses. Okay, Kapinay, anong bilhin natin dito? Ice cream, meron pa akong ice cream. Chips. Hindi ako mahilig sa chips. Hindi ako mahilig sa junk food. Conditioner. Hindi rin yata. Zero. Pharmacist or Costco.com/pharmacy for details.
Dial 1303.
Ayan, Kapinay. Tapos na ulit. American store. Okay. Gustos pa more. Ayan o. Grocery ng Amerikano. Ayan. Okay. That's for today. Grocery. Load tayo pagdating. Okay, Kapinay, tapos na ang grocery natin. Ayan, andito kami sa shopping mall area. Ayan, oh, yan ang paligid. It's not a shopping day today. Ayan, Kapinay. Alright. Lamig. Snow. And okay, that's our grocery. Yeah. Uwi na abong. Tapos ng grocery.